I'm Mike with Start Racing, and today we're diving deep into track etiquette. Now for most of you, it may be your first time out at the track. So what we're gonna go over is a couple do's and don'ts to help keep you safe and maximize your fun. First, we're gonna start with some paddock etiquette. The paddock is a staging area where everyone parks their cars and preps. You're free to roam throughout the day. Just remember to obey all signs, instructions from the marshals, and pay attention to the red lines on the pavement. It's important to know that vehicles have the right of way in the paddock. Always keep your area clean and organized in the paddock. Be respectful of others around you and make sure that you park your vehicle in the designated parking areas. It's important that you don't block any trailers, garage entries or exits, or emergency vehicles. Remember, in the paddock, there's a lot of people walking around, so there's absolutely no speeding, no burnouts or donuts of any kind unless you're in the designated areas. We're building a community here, so if you see someone struggling, lend a hand, make a friend, and remember, have fun and stay safe. Now let's talk about what happens once you're on the track. Every track day organization might have slightly different rules, so you absolutely need to attend the driver's meeting. There, you will learn the expectations for the day. They'll also go over passing zones in your driver's meeting. These are the areas where it's safe to pass. If you're being passed, you'll usually extend an arm out the window and clearly indicate which side you want the car behind you to pass on. We're not racing each other, so keep it controlled, predictable, and comfortable. Once you've given the point by, it's important that you hold your line and let off the throttle. If you're the car that's passing, make sure that you do the passing safely and swiftly. Once you've given the point by, this is a team effort. You are now both responsible for making sure this maneuver is executed safely. For beginners and intermediate groups, it's important to always check your mirrors. This helps ensure that you're aware of your surroundings and that we go home with the vehicles that we brought. It's every driver's responsibility to be aware of where the flag stations and marshals are located on the track. You'll find out this information in your driver's meeting. Every driver should have the flags memorized and know where the marshals are located around the track. Each track organization may have its own set of rules and instructions. Certain flags could have different meetings, so it's important that you attend that driver's meeting and pay close attention. That's it for today's track etiquette video. Remember, if it's your first time or your 50th time, a little respect, courtesy, and kindness go a long way. Be sure to follow us on all social media platforms at Official Start Racing.